Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Hotstar on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by going to your Play Store and type in Hotstar in the search box. Or you can simply go to your web browser as well and type in Hotstar download from the search results. Click on this link that says download the Hotstar app for Android, and then tap on the free download button, and your application will be downloaded at the bottom of the screen. After the download completes, tap it on and install the application on your device by tapping on install. After the installation is done, simply tap it open and there you go. That is how you can download the Hotstar application on your device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.